What's going on, stackers? So in this video I just wanted to share my results for the whole year because my low content book publishing has gone extremely well, so we're just going to have a look at the results. And I also wanted to say Happy New Year, stackers. So what did you get up to over Christmas? Did you have a good one? Did you have a good New Year's Eve as well? What did you do? Did you spend it with your friends, your family? Did you get a little bit drunk? Drop a comment down below letting me know. So, it's been a good year for me within my publishing business, so let's go ahead and check out those results. So one thing I do want to note first is this video is pre-recorded. I probably got quite drunk last night, so I wouldn't have been able to make a video today. I did make this video round the middle of the month, so my results just here are going to be a little bit better for December, and I will make a video about my month in December very soon. So straight away we can see that December so far, as the time of recording this video, was doing extremely well, and I did $6,751 in royalties just for the month. Now that has completely blown me away. I can't believe how well Q4 has gone for me. But then again, I have been preparing for this for quite a few months now. And if you know, or if you're part of the LCB Vault, you'll know exactly as well how I have been preparing. So last year in December, I've just done that wrong. Sorry about that. So let's go back to, let's do this year. So last year, I'm saying last year when it is actually this year, but last year, 2019, was my first real year of publishing, and I made $31,000. And we can see just here, I did have some really good months as well. This one was 2,800. That one just over 3,000, but then last month, December, has just completely blown everything out of the water. So $31,000 from publishing low and no content, and at the time of writing this, at the time of recording this, I have 2,961 books available on Amazon. And if we scroll down to here, we can see 71% came from .com, 26% from .co.uk, and now Canada. Now that we can have our books on the Canada Amazon, I've started selling there as well. And if we go here, we can see my top best-selling books. So my best-selling one has sold 2,808 units, which, this just blows me away as well, is $7,683. And then my second best, I sold just over 2,000 units and made close to $2,500. This one I sold 986, made 2,174. Now the reason the royalties are pretty low on this one compared to the others is because it's just a small royalty. These are kids' book, they're coloured pages, and the more coloured pages you have, then the higher the printing costs actually go. And then we got this one just here where I sold 1,260 and made just over $2,000. So don't forget, this is for the whole year. And also, I stay very consistent at this business. If you want anything in life, you do have to stay consistent. Like if you were going to get in shape and lose weight, you would want to stay consistent at your diet, consistent at working out to get those results. To get these results, I stayed consistent and just tried improving on every book that I made. I tried getting better at my keyword research, my niche selection, my cover design, absolutely everything. And that's why I got some pretty good results my first year publishing low and no content. Now, I'd also love to know your results for last year, so drop a comment down below letting me know. And if you're brand new, go and check out Printing Profits, because that course will take you from not knowing anything to having your first book published and everything in between. Now, I can't promise that you're going to make results like these. If anyone promises you results, be skeptical, because you can't actually do that, because everyone's different. But if you stay consistent in business and do your IPAs, your income producing activities, every single day, then your business will grow. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.